This is probably the easiest way that you can buy meme coins. So in today's video, I'll be sharing an amazing app that will allow you to buy meme coins with Apple Pay, with your debit or credit card, with PayPal, with Venmo, and a couple of other methods. So if you have any of those and you want to jump into crypto and you want to start buying meme coins in the hopes that you can invest $10, $20 and make $1 million, watch this video until the very end. First off, crypto is taking off once again, and a lot of people are going to become millionaires literally overnight by investing in meme coins. Obviously, guys, investing in meme coins is extremely risky, and a lot of people are going to lose money, but very few are going to make a ton of money. As with everything, the earlier you get in on a meme coin, the higher the chances of you making a ton of money are. So getting in early is key. Also, picking the right meme coin, the one with a great community, with great volume, liquidity, and a very low market cap, can potentially make you millions. So without wasting any more of your time, let me show you exactly how you can buy meme coins in under 30 seconds. So the first thing that you need to do is download the Moonshot app. The link will be in the description box below. This app is absolutely amazing, and it will allow you to buy meme coins with Apple Pay and a ton of other platforms as well. So definitely click on the link in the description box below, download the Moonshot app. Once you have downloaded the app, it will look something like this. So when you first open the app, you are going to see a ton of meme coins on it, such as Chill Guy and a couple of other ones. Most importantly, it will tell you a lot about the meme coin, such as the market cap, how many people are holding it, the volume. You'll be able to see the chart to see if it's trending higher and higher, which is all important info. You'll be able to see everything inside of the app. So once you decide which meme coin you want to buy, you simply click on the meme coin and you press the green button below where it says buy. Once you press the buy button, it will ask you how much money you want to invest. You can invest $10, $20, $50, or whatever amount you put in. But most importantly, it will ask you, how do you want to buy? You can buy with Apple Pay, with Venmo, PayPal, your credit card, your debit card, and so on. So you're simply going to select how much money you want to invest and where that money is coming from. If it's coming from Apple Pay, select Apple Pay and then press buy. And that is it. That is how simple and easy it is to buy meme coins. You do not have to download multiple wallets. You do not have to get exchanges. You do not have to deposit Bitcoin, buy Solana, and go through a bunch of hoops. Literally, with the Moonshot app, you can buy meme coins within seconds, and it's super easy, super user friendly, and super quick. As you guys know, with meme coins, it is all about speed. The faster you get in, the more money you can potentially make. So that is all I got for you today. Make sure to press the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the Moonshot app in the description box below, and see you in the next video. Peace out.